Hello everyone and welcome to Conversation on Peace. My name is Alana. In today's video, I'm just demonstrating my little process I like to do when prepping to paint. This is called blocking, and it's just with umber, and you dilute it with a lot of water. That's all it is. So I'm not really big on drawing. I just like, as you can tell, he's not asymmetrical. So there's a way to do proper drawing. I just ultimately do it this way so I can hurry up and start painting. That's what I like to do best. Now, I can't correct the neck, but like I say, this is just practice, and I'm just gonna have fun with it. I'm not gonna worry about what's perfect, what's not perfect. I'm just going with it and just trying to teach myself to enjoy the process and have fun, and don't nitpick at every little details. If it is what it is, it is what it is. Let's just get it done. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Deuce.